And then going on. And it will go on, going on. Where is that Apna Suhan? Paper. Ah, this is paper now. Okay. So match is over. Tomorrow match is there.
Yes, sir.
One minute. Euclid. Your exam is over. How was your exam?
Very nice.
Full mark you get now? No? Very nice. Then what is it? Then your exam is over. Your exam is over. How was your exam? Nice. Nice means the mark is over. That is talking about. Okay. Are you coming here? What are you in your hand? How many you mark it out? Not how many you got? 40. 30. You got the paper?
Yes.
Paper over. Mark down. How much you got?
Out of 40, 37.
37 out of 7. Oh. You? Paper got? How much paper? 40 weeks. Out of 40, na? Mark is out of 40 or not? 40 and 40 you get. But good. As Rani, how was the paper? Okay. What do you mean by okay? Mark is out of a mark paper will come and mark has come. And then tell the mark now. That is not about 80% they can read. Then what? Ah, hello. Satish, how are you? Ria. What Ria? Kya Ria? Yeah. Mark. Happy. Who is happy? Mommy is happy. Mommy is happy. Brother is happy. You don't. Father is happy. Father also doesn't get happy. Huh? Who is happy? Nobody is happy. She is happy.
Yes.
Because she got more than you. There are people who are Kurman Sultana. You are coming in. Today you said you will be. No? Today, what? Both are finishing them. Siddharth already was Monday. Let's see. The new one. Better come on now. If I do, sit down. No. What is now? Okay, hello, next class is my concept. It's fighting with you, no? Who that? Which chapter we are doing? Lines and angles. How much of the lines and angles you have done? What could this be? Vertically opposite angles we proved now. Sanmitra, how many you got in my exam?
Sir, 37 out of 40.
27.
37 out of 40.
37.
Yes, sir.
You should have got full mark now.
Yes, sir. Silly mistake.
Vivan,
Yes, sir.
switch on the video. Aryan, switch on. Hey, these people. Switch on the video. Okay. Vivan, your exams are over.
Yes, sir.
How was it? Mark has come.
No, sir, they haven't given the results yet.
So you will get full mark now.
Yeah.
Ah, very good. Chalo. Good. Take out these lines and angles. Who is happening? Let's start the question number 6.1 now. Which how many questions you have done? Only 4 only done. 5 and 6 I given homework na. People are cheating only. Very wrong. Abhi, it's a big, they can only make it bigger now. They will tell it's what is it? All are making 1 kilometer and you are telling 1 centimeter. 2 dots she is putting. At least write bigger. Thank you. Then I thought she was absent. Sarthak. Absent. Okay, now, so these 2 questions were not homework.
No.
Not now. How many read the question? They read the question now.
In figure POQ is a line.
Hmm.
The ray R is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray line between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to 1/2 bracket and
But something funny is going on. Okay, now I'm going to subtract. That means equation 1 minus equation 2, which gives. See, I'm going to get this value. Is the equation 1 minus equation 2 what is angle QoS minus angle POS is equal to what is angle QoS? 90 plus angle ROS. Minus means always remember to put bracket. 90 minus angle ROS. Now, which is equal to check 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 plus angle ROS. 90 and 90 will cut. That is 2 times angle ROS. Have you followed this one? This is what LHS, what is it? Angle QoS minus angle POS. So I'm going to divide by 2. So dividing by 2 means we'll get half into angle QoS minus angle POS is equal to half and 2 will be cancelled now. What is be left out? Is it the thing you have to prove? Let's prove. Yeah, what happened? Multiplied by half. Okay, dividing by 2 or multiplying by 1/2. I multiply by 1/2. See 1/2 into this one is equal to 1/2. 2 is that. Okay, understood now. First statement you will write angle POR is equal to angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. Then continue. This all simple now. But it's important. You when you see these all geometry, you know, on the corner, it's really easy, but in the examination, things are not easy. That's good. Okay now. Once One is there, no? One did not come tomorrow next week. Where is our Mr. Rohan? Any step if not followed, how it is not come? If he, whenever he feels, sir, how it is coming, why did he take it? No, you ask me, I will explain, okay? It's not that simply we are writing. Hmm. Oh, what is it? Then what is your step? You written complete the word. Okay. Very good 90. What is 90 degree? Angle ROQ. Oh. Hmm.
Maybe I call this step
Hmm. 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 Second step, similar steps. Okay. Similar steps only. Okay. Understood. I took this one, you took first completely and separated. Okay. POQOS is separated. And I took these answers. First, I found out what is QoS. Look at the question and identify what you find out. Okay. Rishti, are you following? Dia, are you following? Yeah. If anyone having problem, not follow, tell me. Priyanshi followed, return, then we will do the next question. One more question there, na? Okay, question number 6. Okay. Last question, Priyanshi read. These two girls are laughing with me. Nobody. The figure is not given. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to the point P. Can you do it? Angle XYZ is equal to how much? 64 degree. If I take this way, X, Y, Z equal to 64 degree. Now XY is produced to the point P, means extended, means a straight line will come. Okay, draw the figure from the given information. If YQ bisects angle ZYP, or this is XY, good enough. Bisect, you know what is the meaning of bisects?
Yes.
What is the meaning of bisects? Divide into two equal parts. Half. Okay. Okay. There are other two online people. Vivan, where is your friend?
I don't know.
And Srinidhi, actually, her exams are going. Okay. This much you got. So bisects. So you have to find out what. Okay. You have to find out what bisects. Find angle XYQ. That is the first one. And the second one is reflex angle QYP. So two things you have to prove, get the values. First is angle XYQ. And second one is what? Reflect angle PYQ, no? QYP or PYQ? Okay, QYP and PYQ are same thing. Okay. Anyone got the answer? Anyone able to do? It's a simple one. Who said S? S then 302. What 302? Huh? What is this 302? How did you get 302? Oh, very good. These are answers, my dear girl. Ma'am, hello, in the exam, ma'am will come and take
She gave us a
PPT. Where PPT? What
She
PPT?
gave us answers.
He gave the answer, you made the question. What should we read? Which should we
She gave the answer and she told us to practice.
by heart? I also. Tell.
XYQ.
Dia and Ravi is not giving any answers. XYQ. How did you get XYQ is 1 to 2? They will you are.
Because this ZYP is divided into two halves by
ZYP.
by Q. And then Q by P and Q by Z are equal. So we will consider them X. X plus X equal to 180 degree.
So you will get us first is your XY Z is equal to how much you got? How much? 64. So then XY Z plus angle PY Z is equal to how much? 180. Recent linear pair. Therefore 64 plus angle PYZ is equal to 180. Therefore angle PYZ is equal to 180 minus 64. How much? 116. This much is clear, all of you? No response. Yes or no? Therefore, next is angle. What are the things? Angle XY. Sorry, not angle XY. Angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. Will be equal to half angle PYZ. Yes or no? Both are equal now. These two are equal each other. Is equal to half of the full. Yes or no? Both are equal. If both are equal means it will be each is equal to half of the full angle now. Therefore, which is equal to half of angle which one? PYZ is how much? 1, 1, 6, 2 or 6. That is therefore angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. Both are equal to half of 116 is how much? 58 degrees. Now one by one, angle XYQ is equal to sum of each of angles XYZ plus angle ZYQ now. ZYQ. So what is angle XYZ? 64 plus 58. 1, 2, 2. Very good. That is angle XYZ. XYQ. That is the first answer. Second, we got already QYP. Therefore, reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 degree minus angle QYP. We have QYP now. How much? 58. Therefore, 360 minus 58. How much? 302. Move that now. Amni, how did you get here followed? Yes or no? Don't tell ma'am said. Next class somebody else link. Sir said. Don't tell. You have to give the answer. Reason you should tell. Are we following all of you? It is not that it's not my method. This is the method. Okay, different ways are there. In the exam comes. All because of this. Me. What where from where it has come out? Hello. I Yes, what happened there now? Loudly speak. Already you put a mask on the top, we are not talking. I say, we know this, have you followed this one? Have you followed these two are equal? Look at the figure, both are equal, means both will be half of this full angle now. Yes or no? If you your mummy bought a cake, 1 kg cake. Okay, if mummy is cutting it into equal parts, what will be the, how much will be? Huh? 1 kg. So how did you get a divide by 2? Mummy got a 5 kg cake. And I will tell you, if she is cutting into equal part, how many? It will be half. 1 kg also half kg. 5 divided by 2. So same way now, this is divided by 2, but divided by this one. Are you followed or not? Yes or no? Therefore, both will be 58 degree. Which one? XY2 and 2IP both are 58. If both are equal, means each will be half of the entire thing. This way is followed now. Then what do you want? If this is not XY, this is ZYP. Both are ZYQ, not XYQ. XYQ is equal to XYZ plus ZY. Then look at XYQ is equal to sum of these two. So 64 plus 58, 112. Reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 minus angle. Do you know how to find out? What is the meaning of reflex angle? This is called reflex angle. How will you get 360 minus that change? If this is 30 degree, what will be the reflex angle? Okay, all of you followed. Think and do it. That's all. As she said, you can take x plus 64. Okay, so you can take. I did not take x directly. Yes, followed. Time is there now. Still no time. Okay, so this part is clear.
Yeah.
This exercise is done.
Yes.
Homework is your exercise 6.1. Understood or not? Okay. Prepare. Now geometry you have to practice a lot. You have to redo this exercise classwork also. Understood? Make it a point daily, at least 5 sums you have to do it. Yeah, have we completed? Today we'll complete? Yes, we'll complete first. All of you know what are vertically opposite angles? Yes. Do you know what linear pair angles? Identifying all of you know. Linear pair and hello, you will look here and there. Yeah, now look here. Now we are going to talk about parallel lines. Do you know what is mean by parallel lines? What are parallel lines?
Two lines do not take on
The lines which do not intersect are called parallel lines. Do you know what is mean by transversal? I said line which intersect any two lines is called a transversal, not necessarily parallel like this way. This is line. What is the name of this line? T is the transversal for these two lines. Transversal. What is the meaning of transversal? Line which intersects two lines. Okay. Now I'm going to explain. Listen carefully. This is important property. Lot of places we are going to apply. Parallel. This is completed, all of you. Dia, have you completed? No. Okay, these are two parallel lines, and this is the transversal. You know, line segment AB. Do you know which is line segment AB here? Do you know what is line segment AB? From where it is starting? A till B. That is for what is the time? 5. Well, okay. That is the one line segment AB. This AB is called. There is a name for that AB. AB is called. Who is that Karas? Have you heard about this word? Who's heard about? Intercept, not intersect. Okay. This portion is called which one? Intercept. Means on the transversal, the segment between them. Okay, now listen. Naming angle, all of you know now. Brishti, you know, all of you know how to give the name of the angle now. I'm not giving. Now I'm going to mark the angles. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Who is the P counting? How many angles are marked? 8 angles. Right angle. Tell the vertically opposite angles. What is the property of these? What is the property? Okay. Smart TV. Vertical opposite. Yes. You stand up there. 180. Vertical opposite angle 180. They are equal. 4 and 2 are equal. Yeah, you said. Did you hear? Did you hear? No, you did anyone? I did not hear. You all were. I am mixing. Did you all hear? I don't say 180 angles. Okay. 4 and what is the property? They are equal. Which are they? 4 and 2 are equal. 1 and 3 are equal. 5 and 7 are equal. 8 and 6 are equal. Sit down. You stand up. Past linear pair angles. You don't know. Okay. Linear pair angle past. I don't know. Why? How do I know? Yes.
1 and 4.
1 and 4.
5 and 8.
Huh?
5 and 8.
That's all. Huh?
5 and 8.
There are a lot of pairs are there. 1 and 4. 1 and 2. 4 and 3. 3 and 2. 5 and 8. I don't know. On the straight line, any one side is there. They are called linear pair. It's straight line. This one or this one. Okay. Do you know what is the property of the linear pair angle? Shh. Close the volume and listen. All of you. Linear pair angle property. Anyone know? Those who know, raise the hand. Yes. To you, Satish. Tell her. Sum is equal to 180 degrees. Sit down. These are we followed or not? Okay. So linear pair angle sum is 180 degree. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now I'm going to tell 3 types of angles. You must have heard in 7th standard also. One is called corresponding angles. Then other one is called alternate. Third one, co-interior angles or interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, look here carefully. First one is called corresponding angles. Who knows how which are the corresponding angles? Yes, Brishti.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Start with 1.
1 and 8.
1 and 8. 2 is there. 2 and 7. Then 3 and 6. 4 and 5. Inside 8. Very good. Okay, sit down. They are called which type of angles? Corresponding angles. Now look here. When you write the corresponding, corresponding angle, look here. The figure will not be hello. All of you close the volume. Everyone close the volume and listen. Corresponding angle, the figure will not be always given this way, a different way. Suppose if I be figure this way. Okay, so any form you have to then identify. How to identify means the shorter way to remember means vertex of F. They are which type of angles? Corresponding angles, any form. They are called which one? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Are you following? Say. Are you following? You have to identify vertex of F form. Name, all of you know corresponding angles. Now, the property of corresponding angles is when if the lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. If these two lines, like the line L and M, are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. If they are not parallel, they are not equal. Or opposite also. If corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Sometimes they will give line L is parallel to line M. Then what you can write? All these are equal. Or suppose if it is 1 is equal to 8, immediately what you can tell? They are therefore L and M are equal because the corresponding angles are equal, the lines are parallel. Understood all of you? Oh dear, are you following? A little more be active. This is not sleeping time, okay? But you are next one. Alternate. Who's that interior? Who's at that interior? I. Adya. Alternate interior angles. Who knows which are rested? 3 and 8. That's all. So there are two pairs are there. 2 and 5, 3 and 8. Both are interior. Alternate means opposite side. Okay. Inside, opposite. Inside, opposite. Okay. Good. Done showing you. They have this. Do you know what is the shape of this alternate interior angle? Z form. Or this way also. N form. These are alternate interior angle. Are you followed? Okay. Look here. What happens? Brishti. These are alternate interior angle. Yes. Okay. Alternate interior angles. Now, the property of alternate interior angles are when the lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. When the lines are parallel, what are equal? Alternate interior angles are equal. Next one it is coming as what? Alternate exterior not required. Let's co-interior angles. Alternate exterior automatically. Okay. Co-interior angles. Or there are 3 ways that it will be then. Either co-interior angles, or another way you can say consecutive interior angles, or interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, 3 ways. Which are 3 ways? Co-interior angles, or consecutive interior angles, or interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, all of them are same thing. Now look here. Okay, who can tell? 1 only, 2 only, 3. Yes. Angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 3 and angle 5. They are called which type of angle? Co-interior angle. Do you know what is the property of co-interior angles? Yes, tell. Because sum is equal to 180 degree when then the lines are parallel. Okay, if the lines are parallel, sum is equal to 180. Are you following? Yes, sure. Okay. Now, therefore, this is. Do you know what is the shape of co-interior angles? What? C. Or this way also. Okay. You don't ask, sir, is it good like C? Okay. Sure. Even it may be this way also. Happy. Okay. It's not that always this parallel perpendicular. Okay now, follow. It's not necessarily this way exactly. It will be shaped, will be the same format that will you have to remember. Okay. So corresponding angles, if the lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. Alternating interior angles are equal. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means what? Sum is equal to 180. Opposite, if corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. Alternating interior angles are equal, lines are parallel. Co-interior angles are supplementary, lines are parallel. Parallel. All of you know the name and all now. I C A B O. Okay, once quickly. Krishti, what is the name of angle 2? Krishti, tell them us for one RS. Angle RS. RS is an angle. Have you seen angle 2? Does not know. Diya, stand up, Krishti. Diya. SAQ. SAQ. Yes, correct. SAQ or SAB is angle 2. Yes, Rahi. Angle 5. P. PAT. Angle B. Huh? PBT or ABT. Are you following this girl? Hello, madam. PBQ. PBQ.
No, sir, TBQ.
T, where is T? TBQ. That angle 5 is TBQ. That's it now. Are you followed? Okay. Q. Are you following? Okay. What is angle 7? Huh? Yeah, UBQ. Okay. Hello. Stand up. Are you fast? Angle 3. Angle 3. You don't know 3? Letter 1 to 3. Tell the name of that angle. This is the angle now. So still R A B or RAQ, or this way also you can tell QAR, BAR, all these things are same thing only. Okay now, you standard, angle 8, faster, PBU, sure now, very good. Your brother, mark what the mark? Oh, 100 match your brother got. So you should get more than him, okay? All of that, actually, you think you people are come to here to teach me dance or? Okay, so you do one thing. First, you draw one figure. This way you draw a figure. Now you know making mark what? You understand? Maybe okay. First you do draw the figure. I will need. Okay. Happy. Okay then. Hello, draw. Okay. One purpose. I'll break it and give it to 2 pieces. State pencil now it's so heavy now. Rahi usually do fast now. Srihaji has completed from and mark the same way and give it. Vivan, are you drawing?
Sir?
Are you drawing the figure or marking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. I will write what are corresponding angles. This is the part we are going to discuss first thing. Who will know? Oh. Homework is given to you all. Lecture over.
No. Yes.
Bye. See you in the next lecture. Study and come. We are to do the questions. Okay. Properties. Huh? If you know this one of the angle, all the angles we can find out now. What happened? Oh, so there is only what is missing in check now. Oh, this okay. Happy now. But mark is less. Thank